Being a sole trader is arguably the easiest way to start a business. Sole traders are people who start in business on their own without registering as a company. Many small business owners, contractors, and self-employed people begin as sole traders. It's quite simply the cheapest and easiest option when you're starting out. It's relatively easy to start a business as a sole trader. You don't need to go through legal process or to register yourself or your business with a government agency. A sole trader operates a business on their own. There is no formal business structure and everything is in their personal name. They can buy, they can sell, they can employ people, and they control, manage, and own their own business. They're obviously entitled to all the profits. Now, there's no formal structure or approval needed, and most sole trader businesses can be established without any paperwork. It's quite common enough for a business to start as a sole trader and then move to a limited liability company structure as the business grows. Being a sole trader can be a flexible way to work. You are your own boss. You can employ staff, but you may also be your entire staff as well. As a sole trader, you pay tax on all the income you earn from your work. You can claim your work expenses to reduce your personal income tax, and you are personally responsible for all your business debts. But you also keep control of the business, and of course, you collect its profits. At the end of each financial year, you must complete a tax return and submit that tax return to Inland Revenue. To become a sole trader, you simply must have, a personal IRD number. Now, you use that for paying income tax and/or GST, and then you need a New Zealand business number, an NZBN. Now, this is a unique identifier for your business, and you can register for that NZBN online. You'll also need to tell Inland Revenue you've become a sole trader, and you'll need to register for GST if your revenue is over $60,000 a year. Now, for more information about registering for a GST, have a look at this video up here. Depending on the type of business that you're running, you'll also need to be sure to have the local government licenses and permits your business needs, and any other qualifications or registrations for your trade or your profession. It's never too early to think about intellectual property, IP, which includes your logos, trademarks, and any inventions. Sole traders can't advertise their services using their personal name if someone else has already registered that name as a trademark in your industry. To find out how to check whether your name has been registered as a business name, trademark, web domain, or social media, have a look at this video up here. As a sole trader, you are responsible for all work-related debts. You can draw money from your business's profits as you need them for personal use, but make sure you keep a record of the money taken from any work bank accounts for your living expenses. Now, you can claim back many of the expenses you incur in the day-to-day running of your business, and that will help reduce your tax bill. But you must keep accurate and complete work and accounting and financial records. Now, this includes banking information, proof of your income, expenses, invoices, and cash books. If you're not confident about looking after your own financial books, think about getting online accounting software and/or a bookkeeper to help. Now, check out this video for an overview of cash flow forecasting, etc. I have probably repeated myself many times, but it's important that you get the right advice, and I strongly suggest you talk to an accounting professional to help you structure for tax, budgeting, etc. before you start out. Now, they can help you make sound decisions in the best interest of you and your business. So to sum up, the good stuff includes, it's easy and fast to set up as a sole trader. Startup costs are low, there's no legal or registration fees, and you control the business, get all the profits, and you can deduct expenses. You can, of course, convert to a limited liability company at a later date. Now, the not so good stuff. Remember, you are personally liable for all debts. Now, getting loans or investment from banks, that can also be rather challenging as a sole trader. And at the end of the day, all your hard work's complete. It's much harder to sell a business as a sole trader than as a limited liability company. Hey, thanks again for watching. If you liked the video and would like to leave me a thumbs up, maybe a comment or a question, please do so. I read and reply to every comment and I would love to hear from you. If you want to know more about starting a business and want tips on successfully improving your business, don't miss out and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see you then. Not sure I missed anything. All good? Sweet.